2026 moving forward with the light. East Group delivers a landmark energy storage project in Jiangsu, ushering in a new chapter of green transformation for factory. The project deploys 56 units of East Group's Metasource Series 50Q215 kWh energy storage systems, enables safe, efficient, and flexible power dispatching. Xuzhou Runke Food Factory boasts an annual output of 40,000 tons. Yet, it long struggled with high energy consumption and fluctuating loads, desperately seeking a breakthrough. When traditional food manufacturing meets the new engine of energy storage, an energy revolution for cost reduction and efficiency enhancement begins. East Group's core energy storage system delivers uncompromising performance, leveraging high integration, robust 3-level protection, and intelligent O&M. The project drives a remarkable energy transition. Annual electricity cost savings of hundreds of thousands of yuan, over 3 million kWh of green electricity consumed yearly, approximately 2,500 tons of carbon emissions reduced, equivalent to planting 170,000 trees. Electricity bills down. Customers smiling. East New Energy joins you on the journey to a greener tomorrow.